My favorite thing about Main Street is the people. We have a great group of young entrepreneurs, business owners, merchants, and everyone just comes together as a team and we're able to make things happen in our downtown. We have a very progressive community. We're open to everything involving the arts and anything involving the community. We have great events that we put on for all the members of our community, and to see everyone come together for that has been just a joy overall. I feel like Main Street's changed our community because we do the events that would not happen if our program did not exist. We have young families that come into our events. We have people that have been in our community for a long time. We have retirees. So we hit a lot of demographics in our community, and we're also able to hit people of different incomes, and we have events that are free, and so we are able to do things that people don't have to spend money out of their pockets to be able to come out and enjoy things in our community. One of the main things that we really love doing is our facade and beautification grants that we have with our program. Those really give an opportunity to our entrepreneurs in our district to be able to apply for funding and be able to do improvements with their buildings and to really make a difference in our downtown and make it beautiful. I'm proud to be able to represent our community in a positive way and go out and be the voice for our investors and the voice for our merchants in our community. And I'm also proud just overall because we have such a great base of volunteers that work around the clock to make sure that things are happening within our downtown and our district. And one thing that we always circle back to is making sure that we're doing what's best for our community and being able to offer them something that has a good quality of life aspect so that they would like to stay in Ponca City for the future.